Welcome to the FutureProof Nsukites learning management system. Learn from experts, build practical skills, and prepare for a successful digital future.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to our Introduction to WordPress Front-End Development course. My name is Nanmwa, Konyam, and I will be your instructor throughout this training. And in this training, we are going to learn how to build beautiful, responsive website. And by the end of this course, you guys will be able to install WordPress on your laptops or PC. You'll be able to customize website, work with themes and plugins, and the rest, including Elementor. You are going to learn how to use all of this to design a beautiful website. So now, let's begin. In this introduction to WordPress, we are going to look at 12 modules, and everything here that you are seeing is beginner friendly. Now, about this course is designed for complete beginners. It's for complete. Even though if you don't have knowledge about WordPress, or you're just hearing the word WordPress for the first time, you can design a website. Freelancers who want to offer website services, this course is also for you. For small business owners who want to build their website, this course is also for them. And throughout these 12 modules, we'll move from installation to design and launching a complete website. And in this course is also suitable for students, freelancers, business owners, and anyone who is interested in web design. Now, our focus here is what? Practical learning, so you will build website as we learn. Then I will now let's look at our learning roadmaps. And in this learning roadmap, we are going to discuss 12 modules. We are going to talk about 12 things here. We are going to cover 12 modules in the course of this training. The first one is Introduction to WordPress. After Introduction to WordPress, we will now look at installing of WordPress with XAMPP. We also look at exploring the WordPress dashboard, creating website content, working with images and media. We are going to work with themes, design your website, menus and navigation, plugins, Elementor, responsive design, and at the end of this program, this training is a project. You're going to write a project, a practical project, and you submit and you'll be graded for that. Introduction to WordPress. Our module 1, Introduction to WordPress. Now, let's answer an important question. What is WordPress? If you're talking about WordPress is a content management system, also known as what? CMS. A CMS allows people to what? Create and manage website without writing every line of code. WordPress power over 40% of the web. WordPress covers 40% of the web and how it compares to other platforms. Now, it started as a blogging platform, but has evolved into one of the world's most powerful website builder. We also discussed the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. If you are talking about WordPress.org, it's self-hosted and gives complete control, while WordPress.com hosts your website for you, but with certain limitations. So today, WordPress is used for blogs, business websites, e-commerce stores, school portals, portfolios, and many more. Let's look at module 2, installing WordPress with XAMPP. Now, before building website, we need a working environment. And for the course of this training, we'll be using what is called XAMPP. And what is XAMPP? XAMPP is a software that install Apache, MySQL, and PHP on your computer. It allows you to run WordPress locally without any internet access. We will install XAMPP, start Apache and MySQL, create a database using PHP and finally install WordPress. After these modules, every one of you should have WordPress running successful on their computer. Exploring the WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the control center of your website. Everything you do begins here. We will learn the difference between post and page. If you are talking about post, you are talking about what? Posts are mainly used for blogs and news updates. Pages are used for what? Permanent content such as what? Homes, about us, contact and registered, services, login, etc. We will also configure important settings like the website title, the time zone, and the permalinks. During the practical section of it, you understand what is permalink. I will show you. You go to settings. That's where you go and find permalinks. You change it to this and that. So finally, we will understand users' role such as administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscribers in the course of this training. In this module, we will begin creating actual website content. We're going to start creating in this module, we're going to start creating actual website content. Now, WordPress uses the Gutenberg block editor. In WordPress, there's what is called Gutenberg editor. Instead of typing everything like Microsoft Word, content is arranged in blocks. This Gutenberg builds content visually using blocks for paragraph, headings and image, and a lot more. After that, we will create heading, paragraphs, images, buttons, videos, and more. You also learn the differences between categories and tag. That's organized content so visitors and what is the function of this? It organizes content so visitors and search engines can find it easily. And finally, we will draft preview, schedules, and publish professional content. We are going to now draft, preview, and schedule, and publish content with full editorial content. And in this module 8, module 5, we are going to work with images and media. A website becomes attractive when it includes what? Quality images and media. Now, WordPress has a media library where all upload files are stored. We will learn how to upload images, organize files, compress images for faster loading, and write alternative text. If you look at some front view of some website, once you just take your arrow to the image, discover that there are some write-ups there, or below this in there are some we are going to learn how to do that in WordPress. Alternative text improves what? Accessibility and helps search engine understand your image. That's the work of the alternative text we are talking about. Now we also embed YouTube videos and other media. Now you can also embed YouTube videos and other media in your WordPress to use, so that if you look at some website, if you go to the website, once you go, you will see some videos and the rest. You can also do that in WordPress. You can build your site, include those media, videos, and the rest on your website. And in module 6, we are going to talk about theme. Now, what is a theme? What does the theme do? Now, a theme controls how your website looks. Think of it as the what? The design template of your website. We will learn how to install free and premium themes. You can install free themes. Now, if you have money, you can go ahead and purchase premium themes. There are some things that you see, I love this design, but you have to pay for it. There are some that are free. So throughout this course, you are going to use the free theme. But if you have money and you see that, oh, I love this theme, you can go ahead and purchase it and you start editing it. We will activate theme and customize colors, font, layout, headers, etc. We will also what? Introduce child themes which allow customization without losing changes during updates. And in module 7, designing your website. Good design is more than choosing a beautiful color. Now, a good design is more than choosing a beautiful color. If your website does not look attractive, nobody will want to even nobody will even want to get access to the website. We will learn how to build a professional layout. We will set our website logo, favicon, and site identity. We will discuss about topography, spacing, color combinations, headers, footers, and overall users experience. The goal is to what? Create a website that are clean, modern, and easy to navigate without any issue, without any problem. Now, in this module 8, we are going to make use of menus and navigation. Now, if a visitor can't find information, but they will leave your website. That's why navigation is important. They should be able to navigate freely without any problem. We will create a menu. We will create menus for the header and the footer. We will organize pages into drop-down menus. Finally, we will apply best practice that improve what? Users' experience. Then in module 9, we are going to make use of plugins. One of WordPress' greatest strengths is plugins. Plugins add new features without coding. For example, the SEO plugs, that's SEO plugs, the contact forms, the security plugins, the backup plugins, performance optimization. We'll also learn how to install, activate, update, and safely remove plugins. We'll also discuss how to avoid installing too many plugins, since excessive plugins can slow down the website. So we are going to learn how to avoid installing too many plugins, because too many plugins can slow down your website. Then in module 10, we are going to use Elementor. Now, Elementor is one of the most popular page builder in the world. Instead of writing HTML or CSS, we will simply do what? Drag and drop element onto the page. We will learn how to use sections, containers, widget, template, responsive, editing, and by the end of this module, you will be able to design professional page visually. And in module 11, responsive design. Today, many people browse website using what? Mobile phones. Yes, many people today browse website using mobile phone. And a website must look good on desktop, tablet, and smartphones. If your website that you're designing does not look good on mobile phone, laptop, and tablet, it's useless. Sometimes you see some people, they will design website and it's only suitable for desktop. What of those that are using phones or tablet? All this, you have to design a website that must be responsive to both Android, iPhone, tablet, desktop, etc. Now, all this is called responsive design. We'll learn about breakpoint, visible layout, and testing website across different devices. We'll also use Elementor responsive editing tools to what? Adjust layout for every screen. Now, in module 12, each student will build a complete WordPress website. This is where everything comes together. Every student is going to build a complete WordPress website. You will plan the project, create multiple pages, design layout. You are going to optimize image, install different plugins, install the best plugin you want to use in the website, in your design. Now, you're going to create menus and ensure that the website is responsive to both Android, tablet, desktop, etc. And finally, you will present your complete website and receive constructive feedback. You're going to be, and at the end of this training, you're going to what? They are going to credit you guys. And once you pass, there are credit points. You are going to earn credit points. And based on the introduction, like based on the onboarding section, you guys were told things you need to do to earn your points. So you must meet up with the point to be able to be issued certificate after the end of this training. At the end of this training, once you meet up the requirement, a certificate will be issued to you. Now, skills you will walk away with. Now, by completing this course, you have practical skills that can help you professionally. Yes, once you complete this course, you're going to have practical skills that can help you professionally. Now, you are going to learn how to install WordPress, configure website, create page and blog posts. You're going to manage media, customize themes, build navigation themes, install plugins, design with Elementor, create responsive website, build complete client-ready website. These are valuable skills for freelancing, employment, or starting your own web design business. Now, we have reached the end of our course review. And from today onward, we'll walk through each module step by step until everyone can confidently build a professional WordPress website. Remember, practice is the key to becoming an excellent web designer. If the day you stop practicing, bet me, let's say you tried doing this today, then tomorrow you didn't do anything. Maybe after 2 weeks, you come back, you said you want to continue. You're going to find it hard to continue. So, constant practice is the key to becoming an excellent web designer. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistake, and learn from them. In the course of what you are doing, you might make mistake and the rest. Yes, you learn from your mistakes. If there's anything you don't understand, the comment section is open for you. The community is always open for you to ask your questions. If there's anything you don't understand, you can ask your questions. I want to say thank you very much for your attention. And let's begin our exciting journey into WordPress front-end development. Welcome once again, and I wish everyone a successful learning experience. Thank you.
Thank you for learning with FutureProof Nsukites. Keep learning, keep building, and together, let's create the future.